What's up YouTube, it's Steve and I'm back with another video, and in today's video I'm going to be doing a quick overview of this right here. This is the Ulanzi Smartphone Vlogging Kit, so stay tuned. So if you've been following my channel for a while, you know as of late that most of the content I've been putting up has been related to barbecue, but I also like tech and things that kind of go hand in hand with producing these short videos that I do on YouTube. So I thought I'd share this with you. This is, like I said, just a quick overview. I'm not doing an unboxing, not doing a review at this time, just an overview of this smartphone vlogging. If you're familiar with the GoPro, or if you do any smartphone vlogging, you might be familiar with the company Ulanzi. They make accessories for action cameras as well as smartphones for people who vlog and do things like this, YouTube. So really quickly going into this, this is a really nice bundle for the price. I think this was about $70 on Amazon, and it comes with quite a bit. First and foremost, out the pack, you get a carrying bag. I think this came in the microphone box, but this all comes in together. I think this bag is nice, but it's a bit small for everything that you have here because all of this stuff won't fit. But it's a nice faux leather carrying bag you can use for the microphones, which I'll get to in just a second. Next up, you get a tripod, and now this one does extend. Extends maybe about 6 inches. It's got a rotating ball head on the top, and the legs at the bottom also extend out so that you can use it as a stand. While I think that's great and it's in my favorite colors, red and black, I probably won't use it too much unless I'm actually doing something like a video like this here where I'm showing something on the desk. For the most part, I'll probably use this whole setup on the tripod that I'm recording this video on now. But still, this is a great addition. It comes with it. Next, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to start assembling this so you'll see what the finished product looks like. Next, you have your smartphone holder, and this extends out. For me, I'm recording, like this very video is being recorded on an iPhone, and I'm able to fit my smartphone with the case on it in this holder. So what you do here is just simply twist that on top like so, and I've got a phone here that I'm going to be using. So you can see what the phone looks like in here. Now you notice on top that there's a hot shoe mount. It also comes with this 2000 milliamp hour light. I'm not going to turn it on because it's bright, but it's got varying shades of brightness. And well, I'll go ahead and try it. Turning this on, the first level, I turned this on indoors, and this was extremely bright. You can click it a couple times, and it'll go, you know, it has a dim setting, and you can max it out. But it's, like I said, it's very, very bright. This is the front of it. This is what it looks like. And then here's the back. It has controls on it. You'll notice it also has a USB-C, I think it is. Let me see. Yeah, USB-C charging port. So you do need to use the charging. You do need to charge this. And this is the cord that it comes with, a USB-C to USB cord. And so all you do to mount this is simply slide it in the hot shoe and then lock it down by twisting that. And so there's your setup. Next up, you have your microphone shock mount, and it comes in one of two colors, red or black. I didn't know that when I ordered it. I just ordered what I saw. It's actually pretty sweet that it came in red. And the way that mounts is, again, you just put it in this. I didn't point this out, but on the light there are 3 shock mounts, so I can mount this either on the top or on either side, like so. And so all you do is just slide this in here, and once again you twist down the top, and there it is. Next you have the microphone itself, and this just fits right in your mount like that. And you have a choice of covers. You have the foam adapter, and then you have the one that's commonly referred to as a dead cat, which would probably be beneficial for me today because it's a light breeze blowing, so I'm not sure how this is going to come out on the video. But either way, you just simply push it on. I mentioned this also comes with a charging cable. Now, it comes with both of your audio cables. It comes with the TRS and the TRRS. Now, if you're like me, you get sometimes confused as to which one goes for what. Ulanzi was even good enough to label them for you. So this one actually has for phone. This one had the tag on it that said for camera. I guess it fell off in the bag. But what you would do with that is simply plug this into the back of the microphone, and then plug this into your headphone adapter on your smartphone, if you still have a smartphone with a headphone adapter. If you don't, if you're like me, this is just an iPhone 6 Plus, but my current phone that I'm recording this on right now is an 8 Plus. You can actually take this adapter, plug it in, and put this right in your lightning port, and that works fine. Like I said, you also have the dead cat, and then you have the audio cable for cameras. And so with that, this is your setup right here. And so, like I said, this has just been a quick overview of the Ulanzi Smartphone Vlogging Kit. If you guys would like to see more, if you'd like an in-depth review, let me know down in the comment section below. Also, if you haven't already done so, please consider subscribing and giving me a thumbs up and sharing the video. And I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace.